Good morning, viewers. We've got another little video for you. I'm here at the East Lancs on my own. Yeah, we're just going to do a bit of spotting here at Bury Bolton Street, see what's going on. We have got the Ginty behind us on the diner. There are two other trains running as well, I think. So yeah, we're going to do a bit of solo spotting here at Bury Bolton Street, one of the last videos of July, so please enjoy. Oh, it's the DMU on today. There's a change from your usual 150. There you go. Expecting to see you. Yeah, Joby's here. Joby's popped up. He's working at Standard 4 today. So I'm partially not on my own for the moment. Hey? I know, you look filthy. So here we have now the Craven, I think it's a 105. Bound for Haywood, even though the board says Blackpool. Backboard says Carlisle, there we go. So we have a site that is very unusual for mainline railways these days. Shunting locomotives coming down through platforms. So these days you don't see this anymore. So, but here's the Andrew Barclay diesel. It's just put that War Department thing in platform 4, I think. I forget all the platforms, but here it comes, number 11506. Look at that. And then Sunday, Derby. Fantastic. So here it comes again, back up. This is a move you literally do not see on the national network anymore. If you see loco manoeuvres now, they are merely departmental stock. There's no shunters like this anymore. Nobody in that platform. In on platform 4 at Bury Bolton Street is the unit returning from Haywood, bound for Rottenstall via Ramsbottom. And I love how the destination board says Carlisle. There we go. have now coming into platform 2 at the Bury Bolton Street is my favourite loco here. My absolute favourite loco here. City of Wells, fully Pacific, with a rake of BR Mark 1s, all in what's the colour? Blue and grey, with Pete Waterman's saloon on the rear. Let's have a look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Splendid. So there we have now the DMU service going from Bury Bolton Street to Rottenstall via Ramsbottom. So we've had a good day here at Bury Bolton Street. We've only been here for a short while. You can see City of Wells behind me. I think we'll shortly be ready to depart. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching this shorter video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Here we go. So here we have now City of Wells departing for Haywood from Bury Bolton Street.